documentation of practice. The practice submission consists of 10 video works. Below, video stills of each work are reproduced, along with information and a link to the full video. Alternatively, documentation of the entire practice submission can be viewed on this YouTube playlist. Works 1 to 6 are a selection of video performances in which a character faces the camera and tells a story. The works are all performed by me, and the stories were improvised during recording. Work number 7, Politics of Inner Self, is a performance video in which I take on the part of 2 characters who then converse with each other. Works 8 to 9 are audio performances in which I voiced over AI-generated portrait images. And work 10, Individual Relic, is a video work made in collaboration with artist Nina Davies. Nina selected and shared with me a series of clips from the social media platform TikTok, often showing people carrying out dance challenges. I wrote a text in response to these clips, which Nina then edited into a montage of these, as well as some new clips. This first footnote here just describes that several months after the submission of this written thesis, this dissertation, an exhibition called As Above, So Below was presented as part of the Viva examination at 43 Lewisham Way on the 14th to the 16th of March 2023. It consisted of 2 parts, this exhibition did. Firstly, a new artwork that isn't actually included in this submission, and it's called The Story of Room 03, a site-specific audio work for the downstairs gallery space. The other part of this exhibition was called Letter to the Dominant Character, and that was a screening held in the upstairs cinema room. So the documentation of practice in this thesis details the work submitted before this exhibition took place, The Story of Room 03, a story told from the perspective of an empty exhibition space in 43 Lewisham Way, has since been made available as an audiobook on most platforms. So I will link that extra artwork below as a link to the audiobook. During the PhD, I also completed a novel called Anomaline. Originally proposed as one of the outcomes of this PhD research, I realized halfway through that the novel had become a separate project in its own right, and thus did not include it as part of the thesis. Nonetheless, I occasionally refer to Anomaline in the dissertation as it explores many of the same themes as this PhD research, albeit from a different angle and using different methods. At the time of writing this PhD, Anomaline is yet to be published. This is the first artwork. It's called Time Off. I've actually since renamed this artwork to Revolutionary, and I'll let you figure out what is happening in that short video work yourself. So I'll just run through these just kind of descriptively. So this is the second artwork, is called Suburbia. Then we have The Man on the Ceiling, The Trickle Traitor Effect, Homo Horizontalis, Coaxing the Lofty Other, Politics of Inner Self, Hospital of Happiness, Fictional Politician, and finally Individual Relic, the collaborative work with Nina Davies.